The crypto space is taking a look at one of the only altcoins that is showing so much strength against this market right now and actually going up in this market that we're in, which is insane, right? If you take a look at the 1 year chart, the 1 month chart, congrats to everyone that bought Bnkr on, the dip at 15 mil market cap down there at 15 mil or 20 mil, even so. That was a great time to enter. When I spoke about it on the channel, I told you guys you could wait for a dip, and I think it dropped around back to like 30, not 30, around 43 mil market cap. It had a massive dip on chain where it dropped to 43 mil market cap, and from its high that it got to, because it got around to around 91 million market cap, right, Bnkr, and dropped to 43 mil, right? But it's still showing the strength, and it's looking like it's continuing up higher here. Like I said in the past, this potentially is a $1 billion coin right here, guys, and it's at 63 million market cap. So if you have $630 to put into Bnkr here, and it goes to $1 billion market cap, that's going to be $10,000. That's a great trade, right? And obviously, like I've stated in my previous videos, bet on strength, right? I talk about Monad because it's an altcoin that is showing strength. Talking about Bnkr here because it's an altcoin that is showing strength, right? So again, it's in a great spot. Obviously, guys, don't FOMO, right? I think, like I said, because it's holding up this well, it looks like it's gonna start continuing its uptrend here. So it really depends on what you want to have exposure to. Remember, there's people that were already buying at 20, 30 mil market cap. But again, some exposure into a coin. If you want to make money in the space, sometimes you just have to get exposure into coins that are showing the strength. That way, when they move up in price, you get profits along the way. Instead of sitting in coins that are losing against the market, you buy the winners, right? So instead of sitting in coins that are losing, saying to yourself, oh man, when will my coin go up? If you're not top blasting into a coin, you're buying on a dip after it has a rally. I don't think that's a bad decision, right? But obviously, DCA, guys, don't chase don't chase the FOMO candles. If there's dips, look for the dips, right? But again, Bnkr in a great spot right here. Just doing a quick update for you guys. Take a look at X. Again, Bnkr is also generating a ton of revenue. This is an AI agent project. So you could literally deploy contracts through Bnkr now on Solana. I didn't even notice this. Okay, so they just made an update where they're now you could launch projects on Solana through the Bnkr bot, right? And not just only on base chain now, right? They did say they're gonna fork as well, so I'm guessing they're gonna deploy Bnkr on Solana as well. So it's gonna be the same market cap and everything like that. It's just gonna be able to be purchased on Solana, right? So they're making the updates, man. That's crazy to see. That's bullish, right? So AI agents, AI projects are the way to go. This is an actual utility coin. There's people that use the Bnkr project on the timeline where you just at Bnkr and you at Bnkr to buy projects, buy coins, launch coins, sell them, get TA. You literally could do everything with Bnkr on the X timeline, right? Once you have a Bnkr wallet set up. So again, great altcoin here. It's doing extremely well against the market. This is what you want to see, man. Something with actual value, something that's generating revenue, something that is building. Now you could deploy tokens through Bnkr bot on Solana, similar to what you see with Pump Fund, right? Just once you have the Bnkr wallet set up, you at Bnkr on X, Twitter, type in, hey, I want you to launch this coin, the crypto spaces coin, boom, it launches it for you, right? And then there's fees that are generated through Bnkr. The more launches, the more fees generated, the more successful Bnkr is. The more revenue they generate, the more successful. That could be used for tier 1 exchange listings. It could be used for tier 1 exchange listings. It could be used for marketing. It could be used for development. All the fees they generate. Just like you see with the Pump Fund token, right? And all the people that are trading Solana Pump Fund tokens. All of that money has generated Pump Fund billions of dollars, right? So it's similar. It's a similar model here, but this is also an AI agent, right? With like I mentioned in the past. So recently, just a little bit early in the video, I should say, right? So Bnkr in a good spot. As always, none of this is financial advice, guys. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.